To set keyboard landscape view mode as split keyboard in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find general management, and then tap general management. Next, tap Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down the screen, tap mode, and then on landscape view, select split keyboard, and then tap back button to save. Now keyboard landscape view mode set as split keyboard. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.